So basically I am a teacher, but whenever I find leisure time, I try to opt for my hobbies, and that is cooking. And during this quarantine life, there is no classes and there is very limited vegetables, right? And so today I thought why not fry some brinjal. That is why today's recipe is brinjal slices. And for that, first, as you have seen, I have concentrated all the spices, raw spices, cumin seeds, shove, ginger garlic, kasuri methi, cumin seeds, right, along with green chilies. Then I will ground them at first into a paste. Sometimes I think that cooking is also an art, and a perfect cooking is no way less than cracking some difficult exams like CA, UPSC, NDA, etc. So a beautiful cooking can of course compete with any of the difficult exams in the world. So I grounded the raw spices. Then the second process is marination. I have put the grounded spices as well as some other spice powder, squeeze a bit of lemon, and you can also use orange juice as well as. And if possible, try to prick the pieces so that spices can enter deep into the pieces. I am using some rice flour along with gram flour. You can also use arrowroot powder. So mix them beautifully. So as you can see, our marination is almost done. Then we will let it rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes, and then we will bring it out to. So you have seen, guys, our marinated brinjal pieces are frying in the oil. So it's very beautiful to look at this moment. So I have already told you how to ground the spices and how to marinate them. And so I am currently frying them at the kitchen. And I think cooking is a very beautiful freshener to mind. Whenever you get depressed or whenever you feel sad, then cooking can give you a relief to your mind. So we have seen how beautiful it is to look at this frying stage. So guys, hope you have watched the video and learned how to fry the brinjal, right? And it's very yummy and very tasty to eat. So if you are staying outside home, if you are preparing for exam or if you are preparing for anything, right, then you can but as a whole you are staying out of home, then you can purely try this recipe at your own room. So guys, this is the result of this whole process, and see how yummy and tasty. So you can obviously try this during your leisure time or during this quarantine time, and obviously you will let me know how it happens to you.